I'm gonna ease up here slowly. Get your cameras at the ready. Yeah, these are elk. They're also a little bit smaller.
Years, right? So they knew they'd also been mining salt around that bend over there at the confluence of the Little Colorado River with the Colorado River. They knew how to get down into the canyon. They did it on purpose. They led them to a space where they would not see trails for the purposes of hoping that they would actually leave the area. And in fact, the plan was a success. They left. And for 200 years, there were no other Europeans that came here. And what that means is that in the history of the native peoples of the continental United States, or the North American continent, what it means is that the Native Americans in this area, northeastern Arizona, their culture was left pretty much intact up until the present era, in a way that other cultures were not. So if you go talk to Eastern tribes, their cultures were destroyed by Europeans. Just as we're climbing uphill right here, so too